Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we have Osso Buco on the Oklahoma Joe. First and foremost, thanks to all you new subscribers, but more special thanks to the ones that have been along with it for the entire journey.
Yes.
Last week we did that video, which was the chicken...
The sun-dried
cream tomato sauce.
Yeah.
And we asked Mark to give us friends. He gave us a list, and all of the friends got mad because we gave a shout out. So for the friends that aren't in there, shout out to you guys. But what do we need? What do we need for Osso Buco? Obviously, we had to drive around town looking for some beef shanks. Mm-hmm. So we found the beef shanks in Publix. I got 3. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make 3, but we're gonna try. And for the Osso Buco, we got SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, 4 carrots rough chopped, 4 stalks of celery rough chopped, half a large white onion diced or cubed, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of mustard. The video I did that red sauce. My father, Don Tony, he was here, and he's a wine drinker. We are not a wine drinker, so we had to find the same one because it came out delicious. And it's Cochin thought you don't have to just get any red wine, but we got the same red wine. And I got a large carton of beef broth because I'm going to be simmering this over the fire. I can't give you a direct measurement, but I got a half a cup of red wine and some beef broth. The flour for dredging.
Okay. Just making sure.
We'll get started, and this will be fast. So, SPG. And don't be cheap. This is a meat we're trying to get seasoned. We're gonna get this a quick sear in our Dutch oven, in our cast iron Dutch oven, which you'll see in a few minutes. When I do that, I'm going to get my flour because I want to dredge in the flour. So get that in there and dredge in the flour and repeat the seasoning with SPG and dredge the other side. Dust off all the extra, shake off all the extra, and we're on to our next one. Off to our Oklahoma Joe. We're outside, our neighbor's cutting the lawn. Can't control that. We can't control the weather, and neighbor cutting the lawn. Oklahoma Joe is set up. I've got my cast iron Dutch oven. It's probably only gonna be enough to do 2 at a time, but we'll get creative here. So first things first, some olive oil on the bottom. And you guys can imagine, it is toasty in there.
Yes, you hear it.
I'm gonna go about 4 minutes aside, and I'll show you the color we're after. It's been about 3 minutes. Look at the color.
Yeah.
Cooking with fire. We'll be back in a few, guys. One has the color we're after, so we're gonna get that one out of there. But just so you guys can see, look at that. I'll do it this way.
Yes, I got it.
And I'll get the next one in there.
Oh, that's big.
Save the best for last. Last piece, color.
Ooh, looking good.
Next step, get some olive oil in here. We're gonna add our mirepoix, which is our onions, celery, carrots. We'll give that a quick stir. Just building flavors. Y'all thought I was gonna forget to season the vegetables? SPG on the veggies. don't forget, the purpose of putting that is we want to get the veggies to pick up all the caramelization we just did on the bottom of that pot. So I'm still seasoning it on top of the seasoning. It's getting too much color for my liking, so the beauty of our Oklahoma Joe Firecraft is I can go up. I can go up. Ready for our next steps. So right now we're gonna go ahead and add, I don't need this, the garlic. And what's the rule with the garlic?
You gotta wait till it's fragrant.
Until it's fragrant. When you can smell it, over all that smoke, I doubt it. But when you can smell it, we know we're on to our next steps. You tell me.
No.
Okay. It's fragrant. Our next step is our red wine. Oh, now you got it? Now you smell it?
Yeah.
Our red wine to the glaze, which is Triple M's favorite part because she loves cooking with wine. She doesn't like drinking it.
But I love the flavor that gets to the food. Oh, the meat especially.
Can you smell that wine?
No, I don't know what's going on my nose.
Maybe the allergies?
Yeah.
And at this point, I'm gonna add in my mustard. 2 tablespoons. Mix that up. And now, add our meat back. And of course, all the juices. This is why I don't know how much beef broth we're gonna use. I got this big old jug, and my goal is to get this midway through submerged for now. And I'll add more. Yeah, and I'll add more liquid. And of course, I'll give it a stir. But for now, that's where I'm gonna stop. I'm stirring everything up, incorporating all those ingredients. I don't want the beef submerged, I just want it floating on top and braising in that liquid. I'm gonna cover this. I wanna simmer it for an hour, hour and a half, and I'll come back and check the beef. But right now, we'll probably get changed into our bathing suits.
Yeah, because it's hot in here.
It's hot. But we're gonna let this simmer. I'll keep on adjusting the Firecraft, but hour and a half until the beef is tender and fall apart. We're back. It's an hour. It's dark. I'll let Triple M pan to see. It got dark. It's nighttime. But we've been simmering. It's been plugging away. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see. I've seen it. I've been checking it. Let me get the light for you. Oh, you got the light? That's coming up. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I've already added another 2/3 cup of red wine.
Yes.
I'm gonna let this simmer because I want this to reduce by at least half, and then I'll pull off. But look at that color. And now can you smell?
Yes.
How's that smell?
Delicious. I can't wait.
So I'm letting it to reduce so I can have a little gravy to put on top. Mark's inside making rice because he's excited, but it's smelling.
Very good. Can't wait.
See you guys in 30 minutes. So hour gone so far,
Yes.
30 more minutes. An hour and a half, this is where we're at. It smells
Delicious.
delicious.
The
wine, the smoke. Triple's gonna need the light here, but look at the color on that meat. And it's tender. I'm scared to pull it out. And we reduced this by a lot, by more than half.
Yeah.
So when I get this inside and get ready to serve and plate and enjoy, we'll definitely be in a happy place. So we'll go inside and we'll wrap this up. We're both hungry. Mm-hmm. Mark is more hungry. He already went to the corner store to get his drink because he's starving. We're excited. See you guys inside. We're ready to serve. Mm-hmm. Thank you to Debbie for our platter.
Michael's Kitchen.
We love gifts. So I'll go ahead and get, the color on this is exactly what I was after. Mm-hmm. And it is tender is a word. This is one of those pieces. You guys saw how big they were. And look at the beef. I'll grab this pretty looking piece here. And this is another one that was just fell apart. It's tender.
Oh my gosh.
It's tender.
Ah, I can smell the wine.
I think that's it. But we didn't spend all this time making this gravy for nothing, right? So I'll go ahead and I should, you know, get a sieve and filter that, but we're Michael's kitchen, baby. We can take shortcuts. We know that.
Smells so good. I need to go take a picture.
I'll get a plate ready and serve myself, but for right now, almost there. So behind us, Mark's made a cilantro lime rice. Another video. This is the start of the show. So I'm gonna grab a gorgeous piece and get this out of the way for now. For now.
Oh, I can't wait.
This is the start of the show. I can have rice and I can have all that stuff, but the point is we made this for this, right? Osso Buco. Look at that, it is. I could use a butter knife.
I can see it from here.
It is tender. So I'll go ahead and Jimmy B. That is absolute fire. I would add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna be honest, but it is state fire. Black pepper, happy times. This is delicious. Baby, wanna try it? Oh, you coming around with your bathing suit? She's making it in prison bathing suit.
Oh. Wasn't it no salt? That's
That went all right.
tender. The wine. The wine.
Don Tony, Conche Toro. Guys,
Oh, so tender.
if you like this video and you
Like
want
the
more
video.
and you want more Oklahoma Joe videos, like the video. Comment down below if you want to try or make. Subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
see you guys next Friday. ¿Está bueno?
Sí. You need that.
Bye guys. ¿Está bueno?
Oh baby, con el
El gravy.
Con el gravy. Eso no se necesita amasar. That's perfect. Y eso, yo estaba comiendo
¿Te
a
gustó?
mudslide.
¿Te gustó?
Mira, yo quiero un chin de arroz.